everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial of my vlog. So this vlog is related on my previous vlog that I uploaded last time. So if you haven't watched it, just please watch it first before you watch this video, because this video that I will do today is connected with the previous vlog that I did. So first thing first, I will show you on how you can edit your this Korean drama and Chinese drama, so you can upload it on your YouTube channel with no copyright claim. So if you want to know what I do, please don't skip the video, just watch so that you will know the step on how I did, on how I edit them, and just upload it on my YouTube channel. And first, you need to have this application. This application that I'm using for editing is UCut. Yeah, just put it here on the screen so you can see what is that. Download it and install it on your phone so you can use it. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Paki-like na rin po if you like the video that I make, and also if you learn something new. So without further ado, let's jump onto my phone so I can show you step by step on how I edit it and then upload it to my phone. So first, and also I will show you also the proof at the end of the video. And okay, let's jump into it. Yes, hello everyone, it's Eto. This is pretty quick, so we'll do it fast. So I will show you the application that you need to download on the Play Store first. So you need to type this one, UCut editor. So this, if you already install this application on your phone, so ready na kayong mag-edit ng Korean drama. So pupunta na tayo, open lang natin yung application, and then I will edit this. So this is the last episode that I am uploading. Ito yung last episode that I am uploading on my YouTube channel. So this is episode 24. Yes, this is episode 24. So this is the one. First thing that you need to do is you need to go to the background. If you see this background, you can open this one. You need to select this size. You need to select this one, this 3.4. If you see this 3.4, you need to select that one, and then no, it's not 3.4. Sorry, it is the next one. I mean, next one, this 4.3. Just put this background into black. So just click it yes. So if you see in this movie there is intro, so you need to cut it out, this one. Cut it out until you finish this intro. Yes, right, cut it here, split, just click it split, and then if you finish, just delete the first one. Yeah, just delete this one, delete this by pressing this delete, by pressing that. Okay, delete. As you can see, I already cut out this intro, so it will direct you to the movie straight, as you can see. And then you need to go and climax. You need to recut also. So alright, Okay. Yeah. Alright. So you can see it's already. You can see the outro of the movie. You can cut it out also. You can cut it here. Split. Yeah, you can cut this one so that it will split the movie, and then you need to delete this one, the last one. Delete. So you're good at it. If you want to add you want to add something, subscribe. If you need to add subscribe button, you can download it also and then add. Yes. Yeah. You can put it also here on at the beginning of the movie and also at the end. So you need to long press and then swipe it. Yes. After that, if you finish, just click the movie, this drama series. Just click it, and then you need to adjust the speed of the series. You need to put it 1.1, and then also you need to adjust the volume. You need to reduce the volume of this. You can put it 80 or anything you want. 80, yes, and then there you go. Just save this one, and after you save, just upload it on your YouTube channel. So you can see there's a lot of choices. You cannot you can only choose 720p, 640p, and then 480p. So what I'm doing is I am only choosing this 720p, but the problem is the megabyte is very high, so I just reduce it to medium. So save it. Just wait for it. After you save this one, you just upload it to your YouTube channel. So I will be back after I save this one, so we can see if it works or not. So I will be back shortly. Alright. Okay, so I have done save it. So pwede na kayo mag-upload, so you can upload it directly to the YouTube. So after that, you need to put the title, When We Were Young. So I already uploaded the previous episode, so I already have here. So the last 24. No need to write the description. Upload directly, and then after you need to, yeah. So ito yung proof. These are the proof that I've uploaded it. So there's no copyright claim. After I upload this video, I will show you on my YouTube studio. So you alright. So I need to wait again to be upload. Tayin ko lang na mag-upload siya, and then I will be back shortly. Just stay tuned. Don't skip the video para po makita nyo. And post ko muna siya, and then see you later. Everyone, so I already done uploading this Chinese drama on my YouTube channel. You will try to check it out. So it's here, it's already here, episode 24. It's already here, so I will show you the proof that there is no copyright on this video. So let's proceed to my YouTube studio. Alright, just wait for it. Yes. As you can see, guys, I don't have any copyright of all my videos here. So just make sure to follow my step on how I do it. So all of this video that I upload, there's no copyright. Yes, only this one. I think it's already expired. So yeah. Alright. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope you learned something new, and see you on my next vlog.